Hey guys, this is Chris, and this is another review for another Razer product I have received. I purchased this because I did not have a headset or headphones that were good quality or looked good at the time. So I went ahead and purchased these. I picked this up on Amazon for about $52, and let's go ahead and just do a little unboxing. Just cut this tape off here. Okay, so that peels just right off. Just a standard box. Nice plastic containers. And let's see. How's this come out? Okay, I don't need scissors. Never mind. It comes out like so. That comes up. This part looks like it's tape. Probably can just peel that off there. Let's see. That probably comes out too later. How does this work? It has an open right here. I'm stupid. I didn't even read it. A couple things here. Looks like another Razer sticker. Some more instructions and stuff. Basic things you can read. Actually, these come with 2 headphone jacks. This headphone jack is just for just listening stuff, and this one actually has a mic on it, so you can talk to people. I mean, I already have a really good mic, so I won't be using this one. I mean, but it's, it's nice to have. I'm not gonna open up. So I'm just gonna open up this side. Okay. So it's a nice little cord they have included into this. Feels pretty durable. If I need to buy a new one, I mean, I can, but it's fine. Next, what we have here is the headphones themselves. I have to figure out. Okay, that's how they come out. Oh, I thought I'd have a long time trouble with that. Tricky part's getting into this box here. There we go. I don't need this box. So, first feel. Oh, okay. You can adjust them, which is really nice. Looks like they fit pretty comfortable. Really soft mesh. If it goes on your ears, adjustable. So, according to your head height, and they actually fold in like this. So I mean, it's easy storage. If you throw them in your backpack, you'll be good to go. But you can take them out and yeah, like that. You can store them like that, throw them in, and then when you need them, they're actually really good. I have them on right now at the moment. It's really hard to hear the outside from them having them on. So, looks like this. Just take this, find the port, which is right here, plug it in, and put them on, and plug this into something. You can listen to music or whatever you would like. I haven't not tested the quality since I just opened them, so I'll be getting back to you that. I'm going to start wearing them when I do some gaming. But other than that, it's a pretty good product by just the looks of it. I'll actually test them, and I'll tell you what I think in my next gaming video. So.